We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Big Play Ray. Y'all know the name, coming to y'all with another auction video, man. Today we are picking up that Dodge Ram that I told y'all about, that y'all seen in about not the last Copart walk around, but the last Copart walk around. That's when I checked that car out. If you haven't already checked that video out, make sure you check it out. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the Hustle Nation. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if you want to learn how to check out cars. I remember at the end of the video, I told y'all that I was about to do everything I do in wehustledaily.com to test this Dodge Ram out. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. Dodge Ram was good, and you know what I mean? We won the bid on it. So make sure y'all check wehustledaily.com out. I don't plan on doing nothing to this Dodge Ram. I plan on driving right up on out of here, right on up out of Copart. So make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. I'm showing y'all exactly how I do this and pick out good cars. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. We waiting on them to bring the truck out. All right, there it go. Y'all see it. Let me show y'all what wehustledaily.com do. Y'all ready? Boy about to be riding. Y'all see that truck right there? We got Bubba right here, man. Thank you. Alright, so for y'all who have not seen the truck, I'm gonna show y'all the truck real quick. Gonna do a walk around on it. I don't want to get hit, so we're gonna go this way. This is a 2002 Dodge Ram. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. We riding. 208,000 miles, 2002. So we're gonna have to check our oil and all that, y'all. Check our coolant and all of that. 4.7 V8. Need a little coolant in there, so we're gonna put some coolant in there. Let's check our oil. Some on dipstick. That oil looking good. So get that back in there like that right there. Get on up in there. All right, so we're gonna put some coolant in this joint, y'all. And man, we gonna hit the road, but y'all let me know what y'all think about this bad boy right here. Is it clean or what? Got the top on it. Let me show y'all the inside real quick. But first we're gonna go on back here and get this some coolant. I think this is some coolant right here. Show y'all the inside of this joint real quick. Yeah, there's some coolant right here. Some coolant. Pull that on up in there like that. Can y'all see me? Try not to make too much of a mess. I know I should have used a funnel, but it's all good. I'm trying to show y'all the footage too. Alright, we filling up, we filling up. Give it a little more. Do. And the bit's taking a lot of coolant in it. Look, y'all. God damn, it's about to take my whole bottle. The reservoir didn't even look that big. Damn, son. Alright, y'all see it in there, don't know, y'all? I'm gonna leave it like that. Well, shit, I might as well put a whole thing in there. Took out the bottle anyway. All right, so we're gonna put that back on. We did make a mess, but it's all good. Where our cap at? There go our cap up under there. We're gonna get our cap, but first let me show y'all the interior. Y'all check this truck out right here. What y'all think, man? 208,000 miles on this guy. They got the keys sitting right there on the seat for me. 208, y'all see it? So let me pick this stuff up. Let me put my I'm about to pick this stuff up. Let me put my tag on. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. I'm about to show y'all some about whdacademy.com. Y'all wait just 1 second. All right, y'all. I just want to show y'all this real quick, man. And a bit heavy. Got the little thing here. This is cool. Yeah. So, but just want to show y'all that. Now we about to get on the road. Let's see if we can lock this down here. Just want to see if this worked before I pulled off. Peeled out. Okay, we stuck on there. First crank up. Got the little radio in here. Wish I had me a little aux cord. Don't got one on me. But yeah, man, y'all see it. We got some gas in there so we can get home. So like I showed y'all, overdrive and everything work. So let's see if windows work. Yep, windows work. This is the only thing right here. This thing is kind of messed up. Yeah, but we're cranking up. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let the car warm up for just a second. I need to get some hand sanitizer wipes so I can wipe all this down real quick, and then we're gonna get on the road. I'll see y'all in a minute. Cut. Right here. This should pull off. Just fucking squeaking though. A little squeaking, but let's see what we got though. Let's see what we got though. Yeah, shift for your boy. whdacademy.com. Got, man. This thing riding or is it riding? Let's see. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get on the highway, man. Ride down this road real quick so I can get a feel for it. All right, Hustle Nation, and you see it. We are on the highway right now. Rolling. They hating. Patrolling. They trying to catch me riding dirty. Yeah, but we rolling right now, guys. You guys can see. Doing about 70. Don't want to lose moms. Y'all know moms like to drive slow, so we don't want to lose moms. So we in this thing, man, with the AC working and everything in this game. Did moms catch up? She almost caught up. Let's see. We in this thing with the AC blowing cold and everything. Like I said, we riding. Check me out. Can y'all see your boy? Doing about 75. So yeah, man, I think this is a pretty good truck, y'all. So make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, showing y'all exactly how to do this, man. How to pick out good little cars, you know what I mean? String beam. I had heard a little squeaking when I pulled off, but so I gotta check that out. I haven't heard it, but I did hear it when I first pulled off. I don't hear it right now, but yeah, man. So you make sure y'all check the website out, man. Y'all can see we ride 208,000 miles. What y'all think about this truck? Y'all think I got a pretty good buy or what? Y'all let me know in the comments below. But as y'all see, man, we riding. So I'm gonna just catch y'all when I get back to the crib. And yeah, and this is another thing too. I don't know. Remember I told y'all I had bought the Camry for my peoples, that Toyota Camry, but they didn't wind up keeping it. They kept the Malibu. So you know, I don't know if they want to keep the truck. They might want to actually keep the truck. So I might not be selling this truck. I might be letting them get the truck, and they may be getting rid of the Malibu, my little brother's Malibu. So yeah, I don't know what they gonna do, but if they don't want it, y'all know what I'm gonna do. Y'all know I'ma sell this boy. But I catch y'all when we get to the crib. Got a little ride to the crib. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. It's your boy Big Play Ray. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. We still riding. We still riding, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that we still rolling out. See, I don't want no truck and no trailer. This is what I want to do right here. What I need a truck and a trailer for? I don't need no truck and no trailer. I want to ride my cars, y'all. This is what I like doing. This, just like this. Ooh. Tapping on brakes, hitting that gas. Right on from the auction. And this is my first time buying a car from Copart too. So make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Look, don't y'all want to do this? Like, don't y'all want to do that? Don't y'all want to buy a car from the auction and drive it home? That's what I want to do. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with fixing cars, you know what I'm saying? And you know, but I don't want to put no money in that with my car. That stuff adds up. Y'all want to learn how to do what I'm doing? I just bought this. Make sure y'all check the video out when I bought this, when I checked the car out. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all want to learn how to do this, man. For real. I don't want to put nothing on no trailer. Nothing. I don't want to fix nothing. I told y'all, I don't really like fixing cars. I know how to fix cars, but I don't want to fix cars. I want to do this right here. This is what I want to do. Yep. We got Bubba behind me, man. But alright, y'all. We got a little ways to the crib. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the crib. Like I say, if my peoples don't want this truck, y'all know what we gonna do with it. But if they want the truck, we ain't gonna make no money off the truck. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna see what they wanna do. You know, I'm giving them the first dibs on it. But as y'all can see, we're riding. You know what I mean? And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too. Yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I'll see y'all when I get to the crib. Cut. Alright, y'all see it. We still rolling. About to pull up on my boy. About to pull up on that boy Bruce. Bruce think he the only persons with the trucks. Only people with the trucks. We about to pull up on him. He over here in the area, so we about to pull up on my boy Bruce, man. Y'all know my boy Bruce. If y'all don't know, y'all about to see if y'all new to the channel. Bruce the truck man. So I'm pulling up on him with the truck. See what he think about the Dodge right here. He a Chevy man, you know, but we gonna see what he think about the truck real quick. The Dodge. I'm the Chevy man too, but you know this Dodge riding though. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Let's pull up on him real quick. Look at my boy Bruce.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Nice.
Hey, look at my boy Bruce getting rid of the truck, y'all. Y'all see him? He getting rid of the truck. What's that? The Ford. But yeah, man. Y'all see it. Y'all check this truck out. Bruce see it, you know? There go Bruce truck right there. Shit, I got a spot open. I think I'm gonna leave this truck over here. But man, y'all check the truck out one more time, man. Gonna see if my peoples want it. That boy was riding good. You know what I mean? Shows y'all that the top open and all of that. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Damn, where the keys at? Yeah, make sure y'all follow my boy Bruce on Instagram.
Phantom Mobiles, baby.
Phantom Mobiles. Phantom Mobiles. But yeah, y'all see it, man. We rolled good. We was riding, y'all. So like I told y'all, we gonna see if my peoples want the truck, man. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I'm probably gonna leave the truck over here. Y'all see it. I ain't got a vacuum or nothing. Look, I ain't gotta do nothing to it. I ain't gotta do nothing to it. I gotta move my stuff and move that from out the seat. But that's it, man. That's it. That's all. I'm probably gonna take this spot right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna just leave this truck right here. So you know.
You're not gonna drive it?
I mean, no. No. I mean, I'm gonna come get you. We gonna go get the Buick. And then we both gonna come up here and I'm gonna leave the truck here.
Okay.
So that's what we gonna do. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. 2002 Dodge Ram. Man, this boy looking good. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all want to learn how to check out cars. Man, I'm showing y'all how to do this. I ain't about to put no money into this truck. It don't need nothing. It's riding, you know? Hey, man, I ain't got nothing else to do. Hey, what you think? You like it, though, right? It's clean, though, right?
Yeah, from what I can see, it looks good, man.
Yeah.
It's good, dog. dash mat on it, because these must be breaking all the time.
Yeah, the dashboard messed up.
But that's the other dash mat on, man. This one look clean, girl. Like, yeah, from a dealership.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Don't it?
Oh, dog.
Look at that.
He gonna love this.
I think so too.
He gonna love this.
I think so
Has
too.
he seen it yet?
Yeah, he seen it.
Okay.
He drove it and everything, but you know, we gon', you know, I'm gonna drive it for a couple of days. I keep saying I'm gonna leave the truck. I mean, I'm gonna leave the Buick.
Okay.
But we gon', you ready to ride right now?
Yeah, we can.
All right.
Yeah, man.
But all right, YouTube, shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all wanna learn how to check out cars. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone. Got a ram today. Peace.